Hi guys, ganito siya kalaki, and look at that. So yan ang aking kamay. So that's how huge this. And I got two over here. Dalawa sila. So yan. So ito sila lahat guys. Ito ang aking nakuha lahat. Parang ito ang pinakamalaki. I don't know how many seeds you got there. Pero first time kong mag-harvest ng seeds na ito. Hindi ko alam paano. So I'm gonna watch some YouTube tutorial for that. So ito sila kalahat. Itong lahat is only galing lang siya sa isang packet na I guess it cost me like $1 or something. And it grows to siguro mga 15 na tanim. And ito lahat sila. Ang dadami. Siguro ipamimigay ko ito. Some are, I guess, ready. So ready and so dry. So yan sila lahat. Ang dami. Let's see. Ipamimigay or ita-try lutuin. Whatever. Guarding the seeds? Say hi there. Let's try this one. That one looks so dry. So, tiny ang seeds guys. Super